Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video number 48, we are going to learn how to create self-referential structure in Rust programming language, and we have to understand also what is self-referential structure if you don't aware with that. This concept is very much common in C programming language because when we create data structure like stack, queue and linked list, then we required self-referential structure in C programming language. So same kind of self-referential structure we can also create in Rust. So how to do that we are going to understand. So I'm removing the previous project from here like this, and I create one more library file. I say self struct.rs and I create here public function. I say get self struct like this, and I change it here also. I say self struct. Same I'm using here. I say use module self struct, and here I say self struct and I call get self struct. So moduling is okay. Now go to the file code here and I define the structure. I say struct, and here I say node for example, and here I say num I32. Next one I say next node, and I say here I'm defining it here a node like this. Remember that structure type, and here I call it. So I say let, I say n equal to, I say node. Here I pass 32. Remember that here I need to pass the value of this. That is the problem here. Now how to do that we have to understand here. So for creating here self-referential structure, we need to call box here. So I say box like this, and under this box we have to use option because sometime we can pass null value here. So like this we have to define this for self-referential structure. Same address it can store. Now for creating this, what need? I need to call it box here like this new, and here under the new I pass here none because I am not passing anything to this, and I need to pass the variable name also. So I say num equal to this, and I say next equal to this. Like this I am slicing this n1, no problem at all. If I use it, it's okay to use it, and I say node n equal to n dot num equal to here, and I define this. So I say n dot num. I run it, no problem at all. And never used, okay, I need here curly brackets, and I run it here, and you see that answer is 32. Now if I want to pass the address of this n in a new structure, so suppose I create here let n2 here, and I say node, I say num equal to 40, and here I say next equal to n. Remember that this n I have to specify. For specifying this n value, what I need to specify? I need to call box here first of all, then new here, then I need to pass sum here. So like that I have to define it, and I am passing here that this is the n. This one I am passing here as a structure address. Now I'm not using this one, so in place of this I use n2. Remember that. So n2 is what? N2 is 40. So if I run this code right now, you will see that this is 40. And if I want to display this value, this one, so how I can do this? So I say println, and I say value of next equal to, here I need to define colon, and this one that I need to define here, and I say n2 dot next. And for displaying this one like this, here I need to use, and I say drive, and I say here debug. Remember that we need to use it here, that I need this debug. Now I try to execute it. You see that for this n2 is there 40, and by using next one we are using this 32 and none because we have passed here 32 and none in this next value. So like this way you can create self-referential structure in Rust programming language. If you like it, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.